Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst hitting the red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit that notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. Now with all that being said, let's get on with today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a pair of shoes that I picked up from Steve Madden. Now, as the title has mentioned, this is the take on the Versace platform. I will pop a picture up of what the Versace platform looks like, just in case you don't know, but this is the Versace platform, and I managed to pick up a very, what I believe to be very similar style from Steve Madden. Now, the Versace platform retails for, I think it's £920. Yeah, £920. And it comes in a variety of colours. I know there's a black one. I don't know if there's a few other colours. It didn't really say on the website too much. It fixated it fixated more on the pink colour. But they are actually on my trees at the moment for, I think it's £552. So still a lot of money, but if the Versace ones are the ones your heart's set on, you know, maybe go over to My Teresa, and if they're still available, you'll be able to get them for, you know, a bit of a discounted price. So what I will do is I'll leave the link to My Teresa in the description box, so if you do want to take a peep, you can do that. However, I don't have Versace money, and in all honesty, even if I did have Versace money, I don't think I'd want to be paying nearly £1,000 for a pair of platform shoes. Now, I love a platform, and, you know, but with everything with fashion, that, you know, things kind of regurgitate, so, you know, eventually they'll always come back in style. But to me, this is very much a trend-driven piece, so I didn't want to kind of spend too much money on it. At the same time, I did kind of want a good quality pair, so I think I saw High-Low Look, so yeah, it was your fault. I was watching her video and she had a pair of the Steve Madden platforms on. I thought, you know what, I'm going to go have a look at them. And unfortunately, I couldn't see them on the actual Steve Madden website, so I had to get them from Revolve. But I managed to pick them up from Revolve for, now again, not cheap, but cheaper than £920. Cheaper than £920, and they retailed for £135. They have them in, I think it's 3 colours, so they've got them in the black, they've got them in the pink fuchsia that I have here, and they've also got a blush colour as well. Now, I was and am tempted to get the black pair, but I'm just like, do I really need a black pair as well, considering they're a bit of a trend-driven piece? Not really. Not really. No, I'm not going to do it. But this is the box, just in case you're unsure. This is what the box looks like for Steve Madden, and they come relatively quick, and I'll just, yeah, I will do a cutaway with them on so you can see what they're like. And then, I mean, as I say, what I will do is I'll show you these first, and then I'll pop up the shoes side by side, which you would have seen in the thumbnail. And in all honesty, I've not seen the Versace ones up close, so I can't really tell with the detail. I think there's a Medusa head on the Versace one, so that obviously there are slight differences. However, these, oh my word, look at them. Oh, they are, honestly, they are really light. I know when High-Low Looks was talking about hers, I think she either had tried on the Versace pair or had the Versace pair. I'm not too sure which way that went, but what she did say is these are so much lighter than the Versace pair. The Versace pair are supposedly very heavy. Now these are so light, so light. They feel like nothing. And what I will say as well is when I bought them, because I have quite skinny ankles, so I was mindful if these were going to look really just weird and overly chunky on the foot. But I put them on, and part of me was like, oh, I'll get them just to see what they're like. If I like them, or if I don't like them, I'll send them back. And unfortunately, when I got them, I loved them. I'm like, yeah, no, you're not going back. So I've kept them. I did pick up a UK size 7, which I think it's a European size 40. and it is a US size 9, and I will say they do fit true to size. I was tempted to go up half a size, but I feel like if I did, my toe might go over slightly, which I hate that. I feel like it would have been too steep even, and my foot would have slid through. So I do think sticking true to size will be great if you are after these. As I say, they come in a variety of colours. I haven't worn them out yet, as you can see. I've just worn them around the house, and they feel hella comfortable. I am going out on the weekend, so I might even wear these. I'm not sure. I feel like I can see them styled with these, a pair of kind of like baggy-ish pants, but like turned up, so kind of quite casual with these, just these popping at the end. Oh, I've got an idea of a vision of an outfit in my mind. I just don't know. I need to kind of cultivate it and get it together. But that's these. Honestly, look at them. Look at them. Oh, look at that. Sorry, the light's kind of washing them out a little bit. But I will, like I say, I will do a cutaway, so you'll see. But an absolute steal. And obviously they come with the packaging. So that's them. Let me just check if there's anything else that I wanted to wear. So I've done true to fit, the fit really nice, really comfortable to wear, really light. What I would say is, again, at the moment, I don't know if they do have them on the Steve Madden website, but what I'll do is I'll leave the link to both the Revolve, and I will also leave the link to Steve Madden's website, because I know they do some discounts from time to time, so you might be able to get them a little cheaper. But they did come relatively quick when I ordered them from Revolve. So yeah, just I suppose let me know if you were picking these, which one would you go for? Would you go for the black? Would you go for the pink? Or would you go for the blush tone? Let me know in the comment section below which ones you would go for, and as well what your thoughts are on the actual Versace platform kind of trend at the moment. Are you loving it, hating it? You know what I mean? Is this your classic now? As I say, these trends kind of come and go a lot of the time, but I do, and like I said, I don't know if you've been watching any of my other videos, but I kid you not, I feel like I'm just obsessed with pink. I don't know what it is. I love orange as well. Maybe oh yeah, but these, oh my, imagine these in orange. So yeah, so I'm hoping to wear these very soon, very soon. So my lovelies, that is the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Like I said before, let me know in the comment section, you know, which pair would you choose? Would you go for the pink? Would you go for the black? Would you go for the blush? Or would you just kind of, you know, say, sorry, I'm just going to go for the actual Versace ones and just go in all full hog and get the full price item. So again, thank you so much for watching today's video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you did make it to the end, thank you so much. Do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. Come on, hit that subscribe button. I'm getting close to my 1,000. I'm getting so close to my 1,000 views. It is unreal. 1,000 views? 1,000 subscribers even. I'm getting so excited. I'm getting so close to my 1,000 subscribers. So I would really appreciate it if you did hit that subscribe button, as I say. And I said at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And that way you will know when I've uploaded a new video. Now, I am going to love you and leave you, and I will see you in my next video. What I will do, just because I'm nice, is I will leave a previous video at the end for you to watch. So if you enjoyed this one, I'll leave another one for you to have a little look at and see if you enjoy that one as well. But again, thanks for watching. Bye everyone.